Okay, here's a few examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. These 4 pieces, and this piece is from Koroit. I'll just go in a bit closer. The rules in millimetres and materials being wetted, so the white you can see there is the light reflecting. This piece has got some nice colour bar through the middle of the Koroit material. Actually runs through here and comes out this side. It's hard to see with the light reflecting, I'm afraid. It'll polish up nice because it's very hard material. You can see the greens and blues there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.